There's no clouds above us. What's going on? It's completely blue up there. The gods are taking a short little piss on me right now. They don't like me. What's up, guys? We're just roaming around right now. We're exploring the smoky, foggy bullshit. Oh, that's a new sign. That hasn't been there. God, it really has been a while since I've been over here. Holy shit. And that's my old school. Right there. That's where I spent 3rd through 5th grade. Holy crap. God, it's been a while since I've been over here. God, they're really redoing everything. The whole roof. Holy shit. How many of you guys are dealing with all this smog right now? Smoky shit from Canada right now. They were monitoring some areas in Minnesota for hazardous smog, smoke. You can actually see the ground level smoke in the morning especially. Holy crap. This morning was terrible. Going to work, you could just see it. The smell is incredible. Incredible in a bad way. I gotta get these tires warm on this bike. What's the one place to do it? After not being on this bike for such a long time being 2 days, God, it feels weird being out here again. I just took a short little break because I rode every day for 3 months straight, and I'm back out here and it feels amazing. Woo! You know, I actually haven't seen another biker out here. I'm pretty surprised because the one time I saw a biker was in the morning when I was at its smokiest point, and he wasn't wearing any gear, which is the funniest part. You get to have all that smoke face on. Oh man, the vibrations in my wrists are coming back. I love pushing this bike so close to its max. One reason why I love having this bike so much is just for that reason. You get to fully pin down the throttle and it won't jump. It won't fuck you off the bike. You won't pull a wheelie. Whew. Being on this bike makes me so happy. Oh man, despite having breathing problems from the smoke, I gotta get some more of this cleaner stuff to wipe down my bike and my car with. I forgot what it was called. It's Meguiar's spray. It's like a wash and wax. You don't need any water for it. Just spray it on, wipe it off. I use that stuff for this entire bike. I just spray it all on and wipe it down. We're turning this bitch around. Woohoo! Oh shit, now we're driving into it. What the fuck's going on? Rain, go the fuck away. It's completely dry where I was at. Does that mean it's gonna be completely dry up there? I hope to God so. Yeah, the GoPro's probably getting wet. I'm off work tomorrow though, so I might record some more and do some more stuff. Who knows? I want to start attending some bike meets if possible. See if there's any car meets near me. One of the things I've been wanting to do for a while now. I just haven't got to it. I've been too busy. I thought this was going to be a leisurely stroll out here today. I think it's going to be better down here. I don't think it's going to be raining. So I outran it on the highway. Then it just got towards me. All right, I see how it is. This guy's going super slow. 45 along here. People usually go 50. He's going 36. Realistically, it's probably like 31 miles per hour. Dude, what is going on? Oh, something smells nice over here. Probably the bar. And the 4th of July is coming up, guys. I'm gonna try to do something special for that day. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might try to record some fireworks or something. I don't know. I know somewhere close to here that has awesome fireworks, and their display lasts for like over half an hour, which is amazing. Oh, it's completely dry over here. Nice. A tiny little twisty. Oh, it's just a bird chilling up there. All right, that was a short little video. Guys, remember to keep on riding, be safe, and enjoy your life. Short little video. One's probably going to be made tomorrow. It'll be coming out around the same time, probably in the evening. I don't know. I don't have a strict schedule until I get partnership, that is. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Do a little stop. Complete stop. Oh, God. I'll see you.